So Bohemian Gallery પર 2 દિવસનું એક્ઝિબિશન છે 7th and 8th of March અને પર્પલ ઇવેન્ટ્સ લઈ આવ્યું છે શેડ્સ ઓફ સમર અને એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધી બ્રાન્ડ્સ છે. there are 13 brands offering multiple discounts. there is Indian wear, there is summer wear, casual wear છે. એમની પાસે હોમ ડેકોરની 2 brands છે, જ્વેલરીની 2 brands છે. so swipe left to see the collection.
Hi, this is Lapels and Pleats and we're offering about 20% discount on most of the stuff. I have some very nice beachwear stuff like this. Some smart blazers. Very cute tube dresses. Then we have some nice flowy summer dresses, maxis. We have some cord sets for the summer in khadi. This is our star product, which is a wrap skirt. Can be worn as a dress and as a skirt or cover up for the swimwear. We have some very cute baby shirts up to 3 years and some really nice party wear kaftan dresses. Some denims.
So this is brand Bunny and they have saris and blouses. એમની પાસે ethnic wear માં આખું collection છે. They also have summer collection જેમાં they have dresses, they have co-ord sets. I'll show you one of the co-ord sets that they have. It's like this. It comes with pants, a top and a blazer. They also have freebies that they're giving out. This is the next brand. It's called Nushka and Nushka ni paase office wear che. They also have their ethnic wear collection, casual wear che emni paase. You can see kurta pant style ma che emni paase, shirt style ma che. They have these dresses as well, shirts again. And for all the people who are coming here to shop at Bohemian Gallery, there is free nail art that they're offering, but this is only for those people who are shopping. So this is brand Angi Jewels and emni paase akho 9 to 5 silver no jewelry collection છે. They have a lot of rings like these and they are offering a 20% discount on their rings. They also have watch charms like these. They have a lot of options. They also have earrings and necklaces. They also have options in bracelets. And Indian wear ma joitu hoy to emni paase ema pan options છે. So this brand is called Pleasant Vibes and emni paase home decor છે. They have small gardens and the owner of this brand has created these small gardens with the idea કે our apartments might be space nathi hoti and to not have a full-fledged garden. In a badle you can have these small gardens. They have elements like stones and waters. These can also be used for gifting purposes. Vastu na hisabe thi પણ એમને અમુક બનાયા છે. They have some traditional kitchen.
Hello, so we have linen sets, then we have different types of blouses and cord sets, printed shirts and plain tops. Then we have different types of blazer sets, 3-piece sets these are. We have 2-piece sets, multicolored jacket. We have different types of blouses as well. And we are also providing Women's Day special up to 50% off with some twist of lucky draws. So we will be providing extra discount as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, we are from Taneer and we've come with the festive collection. We have Marori suits here. These are unstitched. You can also get them stitched for you. Then we have Kota Doria suits. We have Marori suits with ikat. We have some saris that we've just launched. We have suits in Chanderi. These are all the Chandeli suits. We have blouses, stitched blouses. We have discount on blouses, and we have discounts on the daily wear suits. We have discount buy one get one on all these heavy.
So this is brand Rue અને એમની પાસે brass based jewelry છે જે 22 carat gold નું polish કર્યું છે એની ઉપર. They have stone based jewelry, they have rings, they have earrings. This is part of their anti tarnish collection. એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધા options છે. They also have neck pieces, long માં છે, short માં છે, હાસ્તી style માં બી છે એમની પાસે. They have statement earrings, they have bracelets as well. And this is brand Rue. So this is brand Spell and એમની પાસે soy based candles છે. The shells that she has for these candles, she has made them. અને એમની પાસે બહુ જ fragrant collection છે. This collection over here, they also have charged stones, crystal stones જે healing માં use થાય એનું પણ candles છે એમની પાસે. They have a lot of fragrances that are available. So this brand is called Sutragatha and they have saris, dress materials and dupattas. They have saris in tissue like these. એમની પાસે બાંધણીમાં પણ saris છે and dupattas. They have prints અજરકમાં છે એમની પાસે પટોળામાં બી options છે. And this is all part of their collection.
Real pattern.
This is real pattern patola and this is brand Sutragatha. So this is brand Zen Sparrow and Zen Sparrow ni paase Indian wear collection pan chhe, vacation wear or summer wear collection bhi chhe. You can see emni paase pearl detailing satna kurtas chhe. They have some Indo-Western fits like these. They have anarkali style ma. They have dupattas and kurtas as well. They also have these vacation wear god sets like these. They have dresses like these. And emni paase with the 3-piece sets che, some Indo-Western. So this is brand Ona by Ronak and they have vacation wear fits as well as heavy traditional fits as well. They have dresses like these, quad sets che emni paase, silk based che, alag alag colors ma options che, kaftans che emni paase. They have different prints. Some different prints and they are offering discounts mate you'll have to come here to know what discounts they're offering.
Skirts and again prints.
Drape skirts and prints. એમની પાસે heavy Indian wear માં બી collection છે. Indo-Western જે collection કહેવાય એમાં પણ options છે એમની પાસે like these. એમની પાસે kurta sets પણ છે like these and gowns.
Hi, I'm Disha from Advik Case. What I want to show you today is our linen collection, what we have just launched today. See, it has 4 colors. These are pretty cord set. It comes with pants. And this year summer collection is going to be on denim. Show you what we have done. This is amazing. Handwork detailing is coral theme. Some pot sets. And this is the star, like what I'm wearing. These are mother-daughter twinning sets, smart denim day-to-day wear. And then what we specialize into the wedding wear, you can see lehenga sets, reception wear, our best sellers, all the tissue ones. And these are like the